हाँ हेलो बोल।
हेलो। यार सुन ना।
क्या हुआ?
यार मेरी लड़ाई हो गई उससे।
फिर से?
हाँ, ब्रेकअप हो रहा है।
यार मैंने पहले ही बोला था वो गधा है, एक नंबर का
हम्म।
है। और
यार तू।
ये बिल्कुल तेरे लायक
यार
है ही
नहीं
नहीं।
यार।
आई डोंट इवन नो।
यार।
अरे फोन काटने से क्या होगा, सच कभी तो सुन लिया कर। हेलो।
Hi babe, what's up?
या
No, does he like
नो
you?
बेब, आई डोंट नो, ही सेंडिंग मिक्स सिग्नल्स या।
अरे do one thing, no, ask him.
या हाउ कैन आई आस्क हिम? मैं
अरे
कैसे पूछ सकती हूँ? आई लुक लाइक सच अ डेस्पो. Hey, if that sounded familiar, then this workshop is surely for you. Hi, I'm Kasturi and I'm an internationally certified couple therapist, and I am going to help you design the relationship of your dreams. All we honestly want is love and to be loved. Then why on earth are these relationships the most difficult of all relationships in the world? Also, repeating some patterns in the relationship can give rise to such heartbreak that it can be really confusing and depressing to even think of a dream relationship and a great future in love with your partner. But I am here in this BYOB session. Yes, you heard that right. It's a bring your own bestie session where we have a gala time on Galentine's and talk over everything love and relationships. In this workshop, we are going to learn how to change patterns, roles, and beliefs, communication strategies that really work, how to heal the pain from past relationships, and what can you do to truly experience love, and if you're already in a relationship, how to really elevate that love. So bring your bestie and join me in this workshop where we talk about conscious couples and conscious relationships, and let's elevate the most important part in our lives, our love lives. I'll see you inside. Enroll right now.